Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning logo using Canva AI. You don't need any design skill. We will go to ChatGPT. We will generate the logo prompts. Go to Canva. Click on the Canva AI tool. Click on Create an image. Click on Style. Select Vector. Click on the image ratio. Select 1:1 square. I will paste the copied from here. Click on the Submit button. You can see that 4 beautiful logos has been generated. Click on the download button to save the logo. Thanks for watching the video.